Have you ever thought one of the most beautiful places on Earth could be the most terrifying? The endless blue waters, the roar of the waves, and the peaceful beauty of the horizon. But behind this peace lies an unknown darkness. This is the Atlantic Ocean, an ocean that has not only connected the world, but has also swallowed thousands of lives, spread over an area of about 100 million square kilometers. This ocean, the second largest ocean in the world, it separates the eastern and western hemispheres, connecting Europe, Africa, North America, and South America. But the question is, why is this ocean called the deadliest ocean for sailors? Why do hundreds of ships and planes disappear here? Forever? There is a mysterious area in the Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle. If you enter here, the compass stops working, the radio signal is lost, and many times, ships or planes never return. Are these just natural phenomena? Or is there a deeper, some unknown force behind it? What we see on the ocean is only 5%. Yes, the remaining 95% is still unknown. A few kilometers down, a completely different world, where sunlight never reaches. All sorts of terrifying creatures live here. Angler fish, with a bright light on their heads, sharp teeth in their mouths. Giant squid, up to 40 feet long. Goblin shark, a living fossil. Just think how many creatures are there that we have never seen? The Atlantic is not just a mystery. It is one of the centers of the most powerful forces of nature. Hurricanes form here, where wind speeds exceed 200 kilometers per hour. Huge waves that can sink a ship in an instant. Ocean currents that can pull everything. A moment's mistake and it's all over. Did you know? The most powerful current in the world, the Gulf Stream, flows into this Atlantic. It carries billions of tons of warm water every day, which controls weather, agriculture, climate. In a word, the Atlantic Ocean is the world's climate remote control. Under the sea lies a huge mountain range, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. This is the longest mountain range in the world, but we can't see it because it's completely underwater. This is where new land is created. This is where continents slowly move. Yes, the ground under your feet is also slowly moving. In the deep sea, there are hydrothermal vents, where water boils in the heat of volcanoes. But surprisingly, in this darkness, without sunlight, here there is life. The animals here live on chemical energy. Some scientists think the first life on Earth was born here. So what? Did our existence begin in this dark sea? The Atlantic is not only nature, it is also the center of human history. The slave trade began here. The discovery of new worlds here. The expansion of trade here. When sailors first crossed this sea, a new era began. The age of exploration. During World War II, the Atlantic became a terrifying battlefield. German U-boat submarines sank hundreds of ships. The sea was not just water then, a death trap. Even today, this sea is the lifeblood of the world's economy. Thousands of cargo ships every day carry oil, food, technology, everything. If one day this route is closed, the whole world will stop. But now, the biggest threat is coming from another direction. Ocean temperatures are rising. Ice is melting, sea levels are rising. Coastal cities could sink. Millions of people will lose their homes. Weather will become unpredictable. And if the Gulf Stream weakens, Europe's climate could change completely. On the one hand, this ocean gives us life. On the other hand, it can also destroy us. The Atlantic Ocean, a mystery, a power, a warning. Even today, unknown truths are hidden deep in the ocean. The question is, will humans ever be able to fully unravel this mystery? Or will one day This ocean erase our history,